Okay, here in the next question, it's clip 81. We're looking at the plans and elevation of this 3D shape here, solid prism, and we need to draw the front elevation, which means if you're looking from the front, so we would see all of this. And then we have to draw the plan, which means looking from the top, which will be that. So let's draw the front elevation. We have is 4 by 2. So we start over here, we do 4 by 2 first of all. And then this last part up here has an extra 1 on it. Okay, so I'm going to just quickly do this, the drawing freehand for the moment. Make sure when you do it, you use a ruler. So if we look at this shape from this angle here, we will see this shape. Okay, now they want us to draw the plan. Okay, the plan is going to be looking at the shape from the top. So what we will see now is just this part here. So we will see a rectangle with a break here of 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be as though it's carrying on from here. And it will have a width of 2. Okay, so this will be our plan. This will be our front elevation. Okay, thank you very much for joining us on this question, and hopefully we'll see you again on another question.